Welcome to my channel. Shopify versus WordPress, which is the best platform for your online store? When it comes to building an online store, the two most popular options are Shopify and WordPress with WooCommerce. Each platform has its own strengths and weaknesses, and choosing the right one depends on your specific needs, experience level, and business goals. This article will break down the key differences between Shopify and WordPress across several categories, including ease of use, customization, pricing, scalability, and more. Overview of Shopify and WordPress. Shopify is an all-in-one e-commerce platform that allows you to build and manage an online store without needing technical skills or worrying about hosting, security, or software updates. Shopify is known for its user-friendly interface and powerful features that cater specifically to e-commerce businesses. It's a subscription-based platform that provides everything you need to start and grow an online store. Pros of Shopify: easy to set up and use, built-in e-commerce tools. Reliable hosting and security include 24/7 customer support. Extensive app marketplace for added features. Cons of Shopify: limited customization compared to WordPress. Monthly fees can add up. Transaction fees unless you use Shopify payments. Restricted control over back-end functionality. WordPress with WooCommerce. WordPress is a content management system (CMS) that powers over 40% of the web. When combined with the WooCommerce plugin, it becomes a powerful and flexible e-commerce platform, unlike Shopify. WordPress is open source, which means you have complete control over your website. However, it also requires more technical know-how and management. Pros of WordPress: fully customizable, no restrictions on design and functionality. Thousands of plugins and themes available, more affordable in the long term, better for content-driven websites. Cons of WordPress: requires hosting and technical management. Steeper learning curve, regular updates and maintenance needed, can be vulnerable to security issues without proper setup. 1. Ease of use. Shopify is designed for simplicity. Setting up a store is straightforward. Just sign up, select a theme, and start adding products. The interface is intuitive, with a drag-and-drop builder and pre-built e-commerce features like inventory management, payment processing, and shipping integration. WordPress WooCommerce. WordPress is more complex and may feel overwhelming for beginners, while WooCommerce simplifies the process of turning a WordPress site into an online store. You'll still need to manage hosting, install plugins, and configure various settings. However, once you get the hang of it, the customization options are virtually limitless. Winner: Shopify is easier for beginners, while WordPress offers more control for those willing to invest the time. 2. Customization and flexibility. While Shopify provides access to hundreds of themes, both free and paid, customization is somewhat limited compared to WordPress. Shopify themes are customizable, but advanced changes often require knowledge of Shopify's own coding language, Liquid. WordPress shines in terms of customization. With thousands of themes and plugins available, you can create a completely unique website. WooCommerce itself is highly customizable, allowing you to add features like advanced product filters, custom checkout pages, and personalized product recommendations. If you have coding skills, the possibilities are endless. Winner: WordPress is the clear winner for customization and flexibility. 3. Pricing and costs. Shopify offers a range of pricing plans starting at $29 per month for the basic plan and going up to $299 per month for the advanced plan. Each plan includes hosting, security, and customer support. However, transaction fees apply unless you use Shopify payments. WordPress is free, but you'll need to pay for hosting, a domain name, and possibly premium themes and plugins. Hosting can cost anywhere from $5 to $50 per month, depending on your provider. WooCommerce itself is free, but additional extensions may have one-time or recurring costs. Winner, WordPress is generally more cost-effective, especially for larger sites, but Shopify's pricing is predictable and all-inclusive. For e-commerce features, Shopify is built specifically for e-commerce and includes a wide range of features out of the box: inventory management, multiple payment gateways, abandoned cart recovery, discount codes, shipping integrations, and more. It also offers a powerful app store with thousands of apps to extend functionality. WooCommerce is highly flexible and can be extended with plugins to offer virtually any e-commerce feature you need. However, you'll need to configure and manage these features yourself. While basic features like product, pages, payment gateways, and shipping options are included, advanced features often require third-party plugins. Winner, Shopify offers a more polished, ready-to-go e-commerce experience, while WooCommerce is more versatile for advanced customization. 5. Scalability and performance. Shopify handles all technical aspects, such as hosting and security, ensuring your store remains fast and secure as it grows. It's highly scalable, making it a great choice for businesses of all sizes. WordPress. Scalability with WordPress depends on your hosting provider and how well your site is optimized. A poorly optimized WordPress site can slow down as traffic grows, but with the right hosting plan and setup, WordPress can handle large-scale stores. Winner, Shopify is easier to scale without technical headaches, while WordPress requires more effort to maintain performance as your site grows. 6. SEO and marketing. Shopify includes basic SEO features like customizable title tags, meta descriptions, and mobile-friendly themes. It also offers integration with social media and email marketing apps. However, it's not as customizable for advanced SEO practices. WordPress is widely regarded as the best platform for SEO, with plugins like Yoast SEO or Rank Math. You have complete control over on-page SEO, XML sitemaps, schema markup, and more. It's also better suited for content marketing, making it a great choice for sites with blogs or other content-heavy sections. Winner, WordPress is better for SEO and content-driven marketing strategies. 7. Security and maintenance. Shopify handles security for you, including SSL certificates, PCI compliance, and automatic updates. This means you don't have to worry about your site's security or uptime. It's all taken care of by Shopify's team. WordPress requires more hands-on management. You'll need to secure your own hosting, install SSL certificates. 1. Ease of use, comparison of setup process, user-friendliness for beginners, dashboard and navigation experience. 2. Customization and design flexibility, available themes and templates, customization capabilities. Shopify's drag and drop builder versus WordPress with custom code and plugins, mobile responsiveness. 3. E-commerce features, Shopify's built-in e-commerce tools, WooCommerce plugin for WordPress, product management, inventory, control, and order tracking. 4. Cost and pricing structure, Shopify subscription plans, WordPress hosting, domain, and plugin costs, long-term cost comparison. 5. Scalability and performance, how both platforms handle scaling a growing business, website speed and uptime, security and backups. 6. Payment gateway and transaction fees, Shopify payments and third-party fees, WooCommerce options with payment gateways like PayPal, Stripe, etc., transaction fees and restrictions. 7. SEO and marketing tools, built-in SEO tools and features, plugins like Yoast SEO for WordPress versus Shopify's SEO capabilities, marketing integrations and email marketing.